Hello, this is Chip from Big R Motorsports. I'm going to show you how to set your timing belt. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, if you look here at your crank gear, there's a small triangle or arrow. That arrow needs to line up in the notch of your crank seal plate. That arrow or triangle is on this particular tooth. So that tooth needs to line up in that gap in the plate. Next, what I like to do is I like to make sure the distributor is fairly close to where I need it to be. So what I do is I have my TFI roughly in the 5 o'clock position, and I make sure that my rotor is to the right of this square attaching area for my distributor cap. As you can see, that's number 1 on the distributor cap is slightly to the right. Even from underneath, you can see that it's slightly to the right and directly over that plug. Now, the last thing I like to do is I like to make sure that the piston is all the way to the top. So what I'll do is I'll insert a screwdriver into the number 1 spark plug hole to make sure that my piston is all the way to the top. And it is. So I know that I'm on top dead center. So I've already checked, have my distributor roughly in the area I want it to be. I have my crank gear set at top dead center. I checked my piston, so it's at the top, and I also have my cam set where roughly I need the timing mark. That is step 1 when setting your timing.